Hello everyone, I am Professor Kaleem, presently working at Government Postgraduate Islamia College, Gujranwala. Today we will discuss countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun refers to anything or anyone that can be counted. It can be singular or plural. For example, on the other hand, an uncountable noun refers to anything that cannot be counted. It is neither singular nor plural. For example, grass, water, etc. We cannot say a water, one water, or two waters. To understand clearly the concept of countable and uncountable nouns, I have prepared two tables. One table is for the countable nouns. On the other hand, the second table is for the uncountable nouns. Let's move ahead. Now we will discuss the use of the, a, an, and numbers with countable and uncountable nouns. Remember, the definite article the can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. So, we can say the ship, the car, and similarly, we can also use the with the uncountable nouns, the grass, the water. But remember, indefinite articles a and an cannot be used with uncountable nouns. So we cannot say a grass, a water. But remember, we can use the numbers with countable nouns. So we can say one ship, two ships, or three ships. But we cannot say one grass, two grasses, or three grasses. Now we will try to understand the use of some particular words with countable or uncountable nouns. There are some important words which are either used with countable or uncountable nouns. So remember the two words some and any are very important in this regard. I hope you will remember some and any are always used with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. The examples are then there are two other important words, many and a few. Remember, many and a few are always used with plural nouns. The examples are then there is also a pair of words, much and a little. Much and a little are always used with uncountable nouns. The examples are viewers, I hope you have understood the concept of countable and uncountable nouns. So that's all for today.